And I'm back. Okay, it is time to take off the Dia de los Muertos face mask. I hope it didn't dye my face with like color.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart.
And I'm done. So I do not like to put the little hand fan on for too long. Just a couple of minutes if I have some very some areas that have a little too much serum on them, and I just kind of like to help it along as it seeps into my skin. You know, absorbs, makes this face look delicious. Could you please be quiet? I appreciate it. And nobody said you could bring your dog. He's humping everybody's legs. This damn horny dog. She brought her horny dog with her. Jiminy Christmas, what's wrong with you? It's not a support dog. You're gonna all need emotional support after this. Damn dog, he's humping everybody's legs. I'm sorry. If somebody's in the audience brought a dog and they showed papers that it's an emotional support dog, but I think everyone in the audience is gonna need emotional support because he's humping everyone's legs. I have an emotional support dog, so I have nothing against them. So please just remember that. Has nothing to do with them. My Australian Shepherd is a, what do you call those, special service? Is there special service dog? She's a service dog. She's Secret Service. That's what it is. She's Secret Service. She's Secret Service dog. And my Chihuahua is he's a support dog. So anyhow, I've got nothing against him. So chill out. Why does everything seem to go south when I'm on a roll? I don't know. So anyway, this is done. Now we're on to, let's see, that's step 1, step 2, toning, step 3. I don't know if you count step 3 as masking. I just don't know. Okay. Anyhow, let's do something else. Let's do step, swear to Lord Jesus, this hand is illiterate. And because we're going to be putting things on our face later on today, if she lets me continue recording, we're going with this one. This is my favorite. Helps with the wrinkles and plumps.
Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone.
Let me tell you a little bit about an inside joke. Stop the damn music. So the grandbaby came over last week and we were watching her for an hour for the mom. So this just listen. She's 2.5, almost 3 years old. She's watching the videos on this big, large TV that Netflix watches TV on. And we put it on the tube channel so she could watch me. And she looks over and she does this to me. Mima, because that's what they call us. They call us all, she calls us all Mima. She says, Mima, look, you have the same necklace that she's wearing. We weren't wearing a necklace. She was talking about this. Yes, she did. She says, Mima, look, you have the same necklace as she's wearing. I've never been so embarrassed in my life. Okay, so we've got hyaluronic acid there. That's the 1.5%. I know you guys go ahead and laugh. It's okay. It's my expense. It's not that big of a deal. You guys all need to shut up. They can laugh. You guys can't. That's just enough. Okay, I would normally put this on, but because I used the L'Oreal, it's one or the other. I don't like to double dip in the hyaluronic acid. Okay, last item, because I do use moisturizer, but I have to be very careful. Moisturizer dries my skin out. I mean, sometimes. The nighttime stuff by Alamus, oh, perfect. You know, the night masks, sleeping masks, love those. But regular moisturizer during the day, I have to find it in other products. Here we go. This is the Symbiosis London HA2 plus PUL. And I don't know what it means. I have no idea, guys. I have no idea. But this is one of the around the eye creams that I use. I put it on my Anisa brush because I don't like to drag my skin. Very dry in the inside.
Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Just like that. We don't like to pull the skin around our eyes. I added 2 more drops, and we do the other side.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so giving something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone.
The extra that's on the brush, I bring down the center of my face in the T area.
Don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It burns, so give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that.
And that is it. So if I was going to do like a full face makeup for her, because she might want to record, this is where I would stop the skincare. And the reason for that is because the more skincare you add to your face, and remember, I'm always talking just about me, not about you. I said not about you. Oh my goodness. You're going to have to move her to the back because I can't take this anymore. She's trying to run my show. As I was saying, this is where I would stop any more skincare on my face. And when I start applying makeup, all of a sudden it starts flaking, gets patchy. You start seeing all kinds of stuff because what's happening, you got too much stuff on your face. That's what happens to me. So I usually stop after about 4, maybe 5 at the most. If I mask, it's 5 things that I do to my face. Now I'm going to let this sit for at least 20 minutes. I'm not going to do anything to my face. I don't want to do anything to my face because then it ruins everything. It really does. It just ruins it. Don't forget to rinse your brushes. I just dipped them in the nice warm water, clean water over here. I have a towel down on my lap. Like this. I have like one of those spongy exit cleans brushes. Hear that? On this. And there you go. Nice, clean skincare brush. By the way, I always use Anisa brushes. I've been using Anisa brushes for over 1.5 years, almost 2 years. And when I got my very first brush, that's all she wrote. I started collecting them. They can be a little expensive, but I will put their information down in the description box in case you're interested in, because this, we can do a whole video on Anisa. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you. Thank you so much. My name is Sassy Pants. I appreciate you coming out and doing a little skincare routine with me for the lady. Until our next video. Bye. I don't like the way you do the exit. No, I'm not doing it. It's a bye. Let's do that all over again. Okay, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Peace. No, it goes like this. It goes peace. Bye. No, it goes like this. I like it. It's the Sassy. See you in my next video. Bye. I like that one. I like that one a lot.